So let's briefly talk through the process. You weren't happy with the bog standard worktop. That came out. You measured up roughly this yourself.
Certainly rough estimates through to Mayfair.
And then Mayfair got them, and then how soon were they back?
Oh, very quickly, probably within a week.
Really?
They were back. And everything that they suggested, we took on board. So, fantastic.
And did it feel like kick, bollock, scramble, or I mean, how are the fitters?
Everybody was marvellous, and it was done quickly and efficiently in a matter of hours, really, wasn't it?
It was probably done in half a day.
Yeah.
So we're talking about the whole removal and the disconnecting and reconnecting the gas supplies. It was fantastic, absolutely fantastic.